Hey guys, Daisy here, strongmomsfitness.com and the Strong Moms Fitness Podcast. I am here today in a different kind of email because I have a little teaser sneak preview for you this weekend. And guys, I have been working tirelessly. If you haven't been listening to the podcast, if you're not up to date, I'm making a book. And I want to give you a opportunity to get this book also. So I decided that today I'm going to do a little teaser and I am going to flip through the book for you so you can see what's up. The title, working title, is Flat Abs After Baby. And so yeah, I've been I've been working like crazy on this, guys. And let's see here. Boop, boop, boop. Got my little cautioning thingy. And table of contents, not done. A little dedication. So let's get into some of the good stuff. I do have like a little welcome, an intro, got my bio. I've got some testimonials from my previous programs. And then chapter 1 starts off skinny jeans and lattes. I've got some sidebars that I'm working on. A lot of you guys have been asking me about abdominal binding after baby, and I go into kind of what it is, what to do. Then I've got Flat Abs 101, teaching you kind of what to focus on to get those flat abs. We go over anatomy because anatomy is super important. So ab anatomy, there you go. How the muscles work, how to connect through your breath. It's very exciting, I know. But the cool thing about the book is there's an exercise program with it. So it's not just an educational book. It's actually something like a little program that you can follow and get results. So it's a little bit longer than I was hoping. I think there's about 20,000 words, and I am not. My nephew is the king of words, but I am not the king of words. I've always struggled with writing. English was not my strong suit, but here I am writing a book. We talk a lot about diastasis, what it is, how you can support it, how you can improve it. Things to avoid, things that you should do instead. Posture, always important. How to rebuild muscles. So then there is the workbook portion where there's like a little assessment where you can check your diastasis as well as assess your breathing, assess your posture. So all these cool little checklists that you can participate in, so you can sort of track your before and your after. A lot of cool stuff, some posture, assessing pelvic floor. Here's some little checklists for you to see if what you need to focus on. Transverse abdominis is my favorite muscle, and you're going to learn how to use it and work it and why it's important to use it and work it. These also include links to exercise. Like not only do I break down the exercises like in like a verbal form, but you can actually watch me complete the exercises. There's my butt. So I'm going to get to the workout section, hopefully really quick. Okay, here we go. The workout title page. It's a gorgeous title page, I know. How to use the program. Here we go. Here's like the day 1, level 1 workout. I've got the level 2. Everything goes in like levels, so it's not broken up into days. It's broken up to levels, and then there's progression throughout each level, so that so that you're doing this properly. Oh, I need to fix this. Look at that, guys. I'm here just doing some editing with you. Restart my numbering. Okay. So much to do. All these like little things. Spell check was quite the feat. I spent a lot of time. I'm actually still in the editing process. So that's pretty much it. So yo, guys, I wanted to share with you a way that you can get this book for free in the month of June. If you want this book for free, all you have to do is two things. First, you subscribe to my podcast. You give me a 5-star raving review. So that involves at least 6 sentences where you stroke my ego. So please do that. Once you do that, before you submit to Apple, take a screenshot. Take that screenshot, email that to Daisy at strongmomsfitness.com. That's my email, daisy@strongmomsfitness.com. And then what I will do is, this is honor system, guys. I'm going to send you the book once it's done. And what I require of you is you hold up your, like, I don't know, tablet or computer or something, and take a picture of you with the book, Flat Abs After Baby, and post on Instagram, and tag me and all that good stuff, strong.moms.fitness, and, tag me and say, oh, I got this amazing ebook, guys, check it out. Because I want you guys to help me. I want to give you guys this book for free, but in return, I want you to help get the word out about this book. Because the more of you guys that get this book, then I am more inclined to put out more books and give you guys more free things. So hopefully you guys take me up on that offer. Anyways, guys, that is it. That's all I have for you. That's my sneak peek. Right now I'm finishing my editing, and then I'm going to format it, because right now it just looks like a mess. I'm going to format it so it's nice and pretty. Going to make a nice digital book for you. And then it's going to be in like a PDF format, so you can put it on like a Kindle, you can put it on an iPad or whatever, or you can even print it out. The only thing with the printout is you can't click on the exercises. So in the exercise, like for example, this YouTube here, this is a link to a YouTube, like a demonstration. So for example, let me open up browser here. You'll have the links. So if you have the PDF on your digital whatever, then you can jump in and see my demos. Now, if you print it out, obviously you can't see those exercises. So, but yeah, guys, who doesn't love this offer? All right, guys, thank you. Don't want to take up more of your time. Have a great day. Thank you.